bagong distribution center ng Yamaha. Sabay na rin sa celebration ng birthday. Happy birthday, Yamaha!
Morning to all the guests here today. Today is Yamaha Day, as been explained earlier, to celebrate the 60th birthday of Yamaha Motor Japan. Also today, I'm very proud and happy that we were able to hold the grand opening of the distribution center here under such wonderful weather. 2, 1. To the people behind each motorcycle that creates exciting moments for each Yamaha rider. Yamaha! Yamaha! What's important for us is for our employees to know that we have 64 years of history, because our organization business has grown so much rapidly, and there's quite a few new staff that don't know about Yamaha. And at the same time, we want to treat our employees as a family, because we know that during work, you spend most of your time at the office, and hope they feel here as their second home. So that's our intention of inviting all the employees with this event. One of the reasons that we invited the media is, of course, we want our people to feel that this is important, but not also, we believe our relationship with media and customer is really important, because we're selling not only products, we're trying to sell lifestyle. We want to continue to grow, but also we want to keep the organization strong, and hopefully through today's event, we can become more stronger as one team. There's basically 5 words that consists or builds a brand. One is innovation, because one of our corporate philosophy is to create kondo. Kondo is a Japanese word to exceed customers' expectation. And what we want to do is offer innovative product to offer some unique experience to our customers. And second one is excitement. So we want people to feel happy with our products, and what we try to do is try to make the handling of our products so easy that customer will feel as if it's part of their body. Third one is confidence. What we want to do is, with Yamaha, we want to make sure we offer a world-class quality to our customers. We want them to be proud, hopefully to show off to the other friends. And last but not least, the last one is ties, because what's important for us is to keep connected with our customers, dealers, and community. Because again, we're not only selling simple product, we're selling lifestyle. So those are the 5 important elements that consist the Yamaha brand. One of the big bikes and so on is available in one of our flagship store that we have here, which is a Rev Zone. We have 11 stores around the country. Well, what we try to do is try to capture number 1 share is not our goal. What we want is to capture and customer satisfaction. Not only selling, keeping connection with our customer is what's important, as I explained, which is shown in the word ties in our brand. Well, first, I will thank all the Yamaha customers here. Everybody is enjoying our products. We would like to continue to brush up our products so our customer will feel more proud to own our product and hopefully recommend to their friends and families.
So dyan na po nagtatapos ang Yamaha Day, ang kanilang 64th anniversary celebration. Again, happy anniversary to Yamaha and congratulations!